how to make TikTok videos. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to make TikTok videos. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, just click on this plus icon right here. And then once you have done that, just click on this 15 seconds or 60 seconds or 10 minutes depending what you have. And then once you're in there, you can just upload a video that you want to add, or you can also record your own. So for me, I will just record. Now once I have done that, I can also apply some effects, so flip, speed, filter, beautify, timer, and flash. Now once I'm satisfied with that, I can just click on this check icon. And then after I have done that, I can now edit it using these icons right here. So in here, you can set the privacy settings. You can just save this draft. We can edit it. So if you click on this, you can see that you can edit it into here, wherein you can split, speed, delete, voice effect, volume, crop, rotate, replace, all of it. And then in here also, you can also add the sound that you want to add. So for me, I'll add a sound. So I will use this one right here. And then I can drag it to wherever I wanted to put it. So let's add it right here and expand it right that. Then I can also add in sound effects if I want. And I can also add some text. So let's try to add some text right here. So let's type in hi. And then I can pinch it to resize. Then the next thing I can do is I can open it, and then I can also change the font, the color, and all of that. And now once I've decided that, and the next thing I can do is I can add effects right here. I can also add magic, overlay, and all of that. So once I'm satisfied with everything, I can just click on save right here. And then from there, you can add also some stickers if you want. So let's add in some stickers. And then you can also add in effects, filters, and all of that. Once you're satisfied with everything, just click on next right here. And then in here, you can just post your video. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make TikTok videos. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.